All right, so I was climbing today just for a quick little video, and I saw it from the ground. I put my weight on it, but that limb right there is just totally dead. I really just kind of free climbed this, you know, like I was 12. So anyhow, I'm redirecting my rope right now because obviously that's not safe. What I wanted to attempt today was a redirect. And it's something that I saw online. I thought, wow, that's killer for SRT specifically, right? So you've got your bit of rope here. Obviously I want to descend down this way. And you're going to take a bite. You're going to go over. And then you're going to do some half hitches here. All right, there's one. And you want to make sure that you have some good tension on this leg of line, right? So that you're spreading the weight here. You're pulling down on here, which is pulling against this other one. You do a half hitch. You can do 3. All right, so you got 3 half hitches. Here's the idea. You've got these half hitches that are going to pull down. You want to make sure they're all tended correctly. Okay, now I want to be able to go from this tie-in point over here to this tie-in point. So the last thing you have to do is you have to take a bit of line from your tail, right? Because you're going to be descending on this, but you got to be able to pull this back, right? So we're going to give that a quick little try. I am out of rope. Just going to go down just a smidge, not too much. All right, so with this here, I can now descend. All right. Then, when I get down a little further to where I want to go, what you'll do is you'll take this piece of line, your tail, and you'll actually pull. And it's going to start pulling this bite through all of the half hitches. And then you get it back. It's killer. I love it. So you got to remember though to put that carabiner on there. All right, one more time. I'm gonna grab a bite of rope, go over, right? Half hitch. Another half hitch. And I'm doing right. Don't let them get really close together. Leave us some gap. Another half hitch. I mean, 3's enough. If you're really nervous, you could do a 4th. Okay, last thing you'll do, grab a carabiner, take your tail, feed it through. You're rappelling off of this, you're ascending off of this. It just holds it. Come on down. And then this is the line you pull. Because I got to come back and get you, I had to climb back up. But again, when you get to the bottom, you just pull this, which pulls on your rope, and in essence, pulls your loop through and it just falls apart. There's a couple other ways of doing this with a ring, and I've got a ring coming in the mail. I used my other ring to do something else. So this little band right here is doing great. It does, you know, when you do cinch it up, this does come right underneath that pulley right there. So just got to keep that in mind. Not that big a deal. Go ahead and go down. Got 10% battery life left anyway. Ooh. That's it. We're down. That was fun.